Catnip is not just for cats anymore. The benefits of catnip tea are becoming widely recognized. The tea is gaining popularity for its ability to relieve stress and relax nerves. This herb is a member of the mint family and is more and more commonly being used to relieve tension and anxiety. Believed to be a mild and safe, catnip tea has many reported benefits. Catnip contains nepetalactone. This substance has a relaxing effect on humans. It is also believed to have antibacterial and anti-fungal properties. Some of the possible benefits of catnip tea include a calming effect, thought to relieve stress and anxiety. A relaxing effect which is believed to help relieve insomnia. The ability to alleviate pain brought on by migraine headaches. A reduction in the amount of pain due to menstrual cramps. The ability to relieve stomach pains. A reduction in the symptoms of diarrhea. Although this tea is believed to be a very mild and safe herb that can be used by the general public, it should be avoided by pregnant or nursing women. Catnip is a very easy plant to grow on your own. It generally thrives and is very forgiving in the garden. Once the soil is properly prepared and the plant is established, it is very easy to maintain. Plant less than you think you will need as a catnip plant is very prolific. Once harvested you can dry it out and use it to make your own catnip tea. Be sure to use only natural and organic pest control solutions. Avoid adding pesticides and chemicals to the plant or soil. So many people are becoming aware of the benefits of catnip tea that you may be able to sell the catnip you don't use.